You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people who are going. So I come to update you about the Buju situation. Did Buju record a song on Saturday and release it today? That Sunday, you know say him been out from Friday. You see me? And we are talking about the Gargamel. So it's possible. In today, the age technology with the Gargamel, yeah, that's possible. But him did that or what? Because people been a say, yo, Buju Banton have new song. So we are going to find out that right after this.
Jeez! I swear, you know, a base thing there. I'm checking represent for the baddest and the maddest YouTube channel, Chaddy Moore TV. You know the thing go.
Management of Buju Banton took to his Instagram, his official Instagram, and that is Buju Official. You see me? With the blue tick verified and everything. So them post this about the artist. You see me? And me I go read it for you right now. We thank each and every one of you for the uproaring and love of Buju Banton upon his return home. Buju is humbled and filled with gratitude at all the well wishes, tributes, and words of encouragement, and would like to say thank you. At this time and for the next few weeks, Buju will be spending time with his family, friends, loved ones, and has no plans of any public appearances. We will also like to inform you that there has been no new music released by Buju Banton and absolutely no dubplate session set up as of now. Please stay tuned to at Buju Banton Official, and that's BUJUOFFICIAL Official. You see me? That's him official Instagram and Facebook and Twitter for all announcement. You see me? So for this time, as in making this video, no, Buju not no new song. And we see, according to the article, according to where them post, Buju not have no new song for couple months for come. You see me? So you don't know, say yo, the man did lockdown for over what 9 years. You see me? 9 years and something. He want to spend some time with him family and all these things. You see me? So people, the song there, where me I go play at the end of this, which is a bad song, but that song was released from February. So stop circulate the song and I say a Buju new song. Buju don't have no new song. Nevertheless, you can continue listen to that song. Come here, tell you the song alright, but just don't mislead anyone and say Buju Banton have new song. Buju Banton record in a studio and all these things. You see me? So it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Just stop by for a quick update. And I'm out. Oh, people, before me go, me have a live show. This and every Monday night. On the Chaddy Moore TV. You see me? Where we discuss topic like these and also music, social related topic. You see me? So just join me this Monday night at 8 o'clock. And that's 8 o'clock Jamaica time. Join me this Monday night at 8. I'm gone.
And their motive is to have the people living in fear, recklessly taking life, and them no care. How can we stop this fuckery out here? Send back Adams on the front line, and then you would have so much gun find. Enough boy have the gun and don't have a man.